Follow my lead, and we'll be out of here before my dad even shows up.
Mein Gott, wer bist du? Wie bist du hier reingekommen?
Shh, be quiet and listen. Your life depends on it.
Are you decent? We're the CIA, here to take you back to America.
No. Where's Berlin? As I told your British friends, I will not speak a word about cold fusion until I'm reunited with my family.
Touching, but not our mission.
We'll get you back to your family, but first you have to come with us. It's not safe here.
Wait, I have to get something from the other room. A doll for my daughter.
No, there's no time. There's an assassin on his way here right now. And trust me, he's not very nice.
I will not leave here without that doll.
Can I hurt him yet?
Hurt me? Wait, you are not CIA. Help! In front!
Release him!
Stand back.
Huh?
Oh, crap.
What happened to your magic fingers?
The virus you shot me with must be affecting my powers.
We gotta get out of here before more guards come. Or worse, your dad. Dr. Vogel! Hey, we're here to save you.
Who are you? Hey!
See? Who needs magic?
Halt! Stehen bleiben!
Run!
Okay, I believe you. Get me out of here.
Time jump us out of here.
Oh, crap. There goes our exit.
Well, back to basics.